Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
And we highlighted before the state sentence review board to say that before taking any decision, our objection was already pending before you people. And when the objection was being pending before you people, what made you not to look into that particular objection? At the time of taking a final decision, it was required on the part of the state sentence review board also to look into that particular objection. And since it is not being looked into and there is no deliberation on the objection which is being raised by the Mandar Surlakar, that is the father of the victim, we said that it is required, it is now high time that there has to be something, we say that the voice of the victim is required to be looked into apart from the reformation theory. Now that reformation always goes on the side of the convict prisoner. What about the victim's family? Victim families, nobody is concerned about to look into whether they have, to what phases they have gone through and whether their voice is required to be heard or not. Now this is the basic challenge which is being raised. Now it will be up to the decision of the High Court to say that whether voice of the victim is required to be looked into. If it is required to be looked into, to what extent, whether they have got a right to challenge those particular findings which is being given by the state sentence review board or not.
राज्यख्यास्त पुनर्विलोकन मंडळ गुन्यांवकारांच्या फावरान वावुरता असो युक्तिवाद सुर्लीकाराच्या वकिलान केलो. बोर्डान ह्या नादी 3 फावटी तांकां मुजती पयलीं सोडपाची शिफारस केल्या म्हण सुर्लीकाराच्या वकिलाचो कोर्टात युक्तिवाद.
The ground of biasness is being raised only to say that it is not only 4 convicts who are being taken for a consideration. There were other convicts, prisoners also who were being taken for a consideration for premature release by the state sentence review board. But when there was nothing change in the circumstances, what made the sentence review board for the third time to recommend them only based on the report of the authorities? If we compare the report of all the authorities right from 2021, all the authorities have given a favor in favor of the convict prisoner except the superintendent of the police, and the key role is also being played by the protection, that is probation officers are being concerned. And we highlighted that the probation officer is also required to look into the say of the victim's family which is not being looked into till date.
दोनूय वाटेंचो आर्ग्युमेंट आयकून घेतल्या उपरांत कोर्टान दोगांयच्या वकिलांक संदर्भा खातीर कायदेशीर दावे लेखी दिवपाक सांगल्यात. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.